Hi, this is Amy Perez, and I'm so excited. Today we have one of my dear friends, Sandy Rupp, who's going to share her story on Pure. She's been a friend of mine and for so many years that I've always admired her, of what she's done with her life and where she's gone. And so I'm so excited she's part of our Pure team. So Sandy, can you share your story, please?
I would be happy to, Amy. I am 76 years old. I am the mother of 5 grown children. And although I have always had a respect for nutritious eating, I was eating clean and eating organic, but my quality of life was not what I wanted it to be. I had a number of problems. For one thing, I had a sore knee that I had for about a month. Couldn't go up and down stairs, couldn't walk around. And that was when Amy presented me with the Pure products. After a month, all of those knee problems were totally gone. I also had achy joints, and it was difficult to even get out of a chair. My husband had to let me off at the door everywhere we went because my back pain was too intense to even walk across the parking lot. All of that is gone. I am traveling much more and getting around much more and having much more quality of life. Honestly, I was about ready to throw in the towel because I couldn't do anything. And I was taking 3 or 4 hour naps every afternoon, going to bed at 7:30. All of that has disappeared. I go to bed at 10:30 or whatever, and sometimes still have energy. I also had acid reflux. That's gone. I got up sometimes as many as 9 times a night, and that has also cleared up, and I'm expecting that to get even better. I get up once or twice a night. Honestly, I was beginning to have a lot of memory problems. I would say my memory has increased by about 50%, which I think is amazing. I'm very happy for that. I don't walk into rooms anymore and wonder why I came there. So Pure has been an answer to many problems for me, and it has given me new zest for life. And I am very thankful that Amy introduced me to them and for the quality of life that I am enjoying now. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandy. Well, we are just so excited. And guess what Sandy's doing? She's sharing it with people because she feels it's a moral obligation too, because we've got to help people. We're on a mission to give hope back, to be an answer to prayers, and to be that solution. And so if you know anybody that is hurting or in pain, please, let's chat and see if we can help. Thank you, and God bless.